Hey guys, Lamonster here at Lamonster Garage, and I want to show you a little something here, a little tech tip, I guess. A lot of our kits, we have a connector that is included with them that will basically tie your power in, or may tie accessories into power. Like on the F3, there's a customer accessory power that are just dead ends, and we like to use the Wago, I think that's how you pronounce it, Wago or Wago, I'm not sure, lever locks. And we've used these through the years. There's two different kinds of this particular connector. This is the kind that we like. It seems to be commercial grade. Holds up really well. We really haven't had any failures. There's another same company, but the body is a gray, and those we've had fail on us, but we quit using those after a while. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to use these. Because, of course, we use them every day, so we assume that people know how to use these. But there's a couple of things that people do wrong that I want to cover. One is they take a wire that is not stripped and they put it in the end and they close it and they check their power and they got no power. Well, you've got to strip the ends to have a connection. So what you're going to want is pick whatever wire end. This is particular is red, so it would be typically positive. Strip it back about 3/8 of an inch or so, put in there all the way in, and just clamp it down. Then any other accessory wires would go into these. Now if you have a really small gauge wire, you can double and even triple up wires and use them in one hole. But just make sure that the positive is going to positive and negative is going to negative, which brings to the next point. We have customers that will, for whatever reason, they'll put a positive and a negative both into the same connector. Can't do that. This is just an extension of this wire. You don't want to put both wires into one connector. So you'll have another connector, fold it back. So put that in, close it, so that's negative to negative. And I always, when I do connectors, I always make sure, like if I'm adding several accessories to this, I always do them in the same lever. So let's say the next one is a LED lighting. I'd put that here and here. And then let's say the next one is, I don't know, a fog light or something like that. That's not really a good example, but any other kind of, let's say a USB charger, then I would put it here and here. Reason being is if you have a failure of a component or you're troubleshooting it, when you take off one out of this lead, you'll know, 3 leads over, you'll take out the other one. That way you know that the connections that you're pulling out go to the right accessory. So really that's about it on these connectors. Really a good solid connector, but positive goes to positive, negative goes to negative. Make sure the wire is stripped when you put it on, and that's about it. That's about all there is to it. If you have any questions, of course you can email us at Lamonster Garage, or give us a call. I appreciate it. Hope that helps. Bye.